Oh, hi. You caught me eating a cookie. I'm here at the apartment complex, and they got free cookies every day. They got fresh cookies. So, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the 21-step course that I'm offering for $49. And some people don't know what's in the course, but someday I'm going to do a little screen capture thing and show the exact basics of what's in it. But it's only $49. If you don't like it, you can always get your money back. So what it is, it's 21 steps, and you go step by step by step. And it's got various things to learn about internet marketing, generating traffic, customer relationships. And then it also comes with a coach. So if you want to have a coach with you that can kind of guide you through all the 21 steps and keep you motivated and inspired and keep you going through the steps, because I know that sometimes these things, do I have to do this? It's not that long. It's reading, and it's probably like half hour to hour per course. 21 steps. So if you took an hour out of your day every day for 21 days, you'd end up knowing how to do internet marketing. So that's what it is. It's basically 21 steps, $49.com. That's the domain, the website domain. You can also find out about it by just going to MagicBrad.com. So, these are good cookies. Fresh. 21 steps, $49.com. If you like it, buy it. $49. If you don't like it, just ask for your money back. Easy breezy. Okay. Today I just sold a CD. My friend Paul Sheely has these paraliminal sub CDs. So I sold one. I got to go deliver it. So, peace, love, and happiness. If you want to supplement your income, you can go to MagicBrad.com and grab the 21-step course, $49. Peace, love, and happiness. Enjoy the rest of your day. Be well. Bye.